Have you ever wondered why some people rise to success, while others, just as talented, stay stuck in the same place? It's rarely intelligence. It's rarely opportunity. Most of the time, it's habits. This is the story of a young boy named Jake, and how small, consistent actions quietly changed his life forever. Once upon a time, in a peaceful town, lived a boy named Jake. He was smart, creative, full of ideas. He had big dreams. He imagined himself standing confidently on a stage. Respected, successful, admired. But there was one problem. Jake was lazy. Every morning, his mother knocked on his door. "Jake, get up. The day has already started." And every morning he replied, "Just 5 more minutes, Mom." 5 minutes turned into hours, and hours turned into years. Dreams stay dreams. Jake admired the hard-working people around him. Shop owners opening before sunrise. Teachers staying late. A police officer walking his beat with pride. He wanted that life. One day he studied hard. The next day he wasted time scrolling his phone. He had dreams, but no discipline, no system. At the edge of town lived an old man named Mr. Harris, a retired military officer. Every morning, before sunrise, he followed the same routine, sweeping his porch, watering his plants, exercising quietly, reading a few pages. Simple life, strong habits. One afternoon, Jake asked, "Sir, don't you get bored doing the same thing every day?" Mr. Harris smiled. "Habits are seeds, Jake. What you plant today grows tomorrow. Ignore them, and they'll betray you." That night, Jake couldn't sleep. Unfinished goals, broken promises to himself. What if success wasn't talent, but showing up every day? The next morning, before sunrise, Jake woke up. His body begged him to sleep. His mind made excuses. But he got up anyway. He ran. Only 1 block. Lungs burning, legs shaking. But he didn't quit. Day after day, he ran again. A week later, he added 1 hour of focused study. No motivation, just commitment. Weeks became months. Discipline replaced laziness. Confidence replaced excuses. Then came the test. A competitive scholarship. Physical and academic. Others panicked. Others crammed. Jake stayed calm. During the run, many quit. Jake kept going. During the exam, others struggled. Jake trusted what he built. 1 hour a day. When the results came, Jake ranked among the top. He ran to Mr. Harris, eyes filled with tears. "You were right." Mr. Harris smiled. Motivation starts the journey. Habits finish it. Years later, Jake became successful, but grounded, and he never forgot the lesson. Big results don't come from sudden inspiration. They come from small choices. Every single day, wake up earlier. Read 5 pages. Move your body. Keep your promise to yourself. You don't need to be extraordinary. Just show up. Because motivation lights the spark, but habits keep the fire burning for a lifetime.